One of the challenges that Boston has seen over the last number of years as the company has significantly grown is the number of projects that have come to the division to try and continuously improve and build the business. In Boston, we've 9 different production units working across multiple different areas for the medical device industry. The big challenge that the business would see is how do we scale these projects and how do we manage these across such a wide, diverse business. The training that all our teams have received through our Velopi training courses, we managed to bring all our project engineers up to the same level. The relationship we have with Skillnet has been excellent over the last number of years and continues to grow. It's been a very interactive relationship, it's been a very smooth process. It allows us to make sure that we can keep the courses that we want to focus on, and if there's any additional courses we want to bring in, that anytime we discuss with Velopi of any options of different courses, we'd also be involved with Skillnet to see if this is something that they're happy to support us in as the company develops. That funding allows us to continue these courses within the company and continuously developing our employees as the company moves. So we do a 1-day fundamentals course and also a 2 days essential course. The 1-day fundamentals, a lot of our new graduate MEs, new hires, people that are new to project management get sent on this course. What that fundamentals course allows us to do is set everybody up with the same terminology, understanding on how to approach and tackle projects and how to address them from a top level. The second course that we work with Velopi on is the 2-day essentials course. Again, this still covers your basics of understanding of project management, but it starts to get in a lot more in-depth detail. When we start getting into those larger projects, the PMP course starts becoming even more valuable to the business. Their training is world standard in how they interact, how they teach, how they engage with people, how they use real life scenarios of projects. I know from a lot of people that I've worked with and done training with that when they leave those courses, they're looking forward to start new projects, to start engaging and using some of the new tools and techniques that have been trained by Velopi, by John or any of the wider training team.